Good morning, students. Let us solve exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Let us see the first question. X plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 4. See, here it is clearly mentioned that we have to use the substitution method. So we will be using the substitution method to solve this question. Now, what we will do, from equation 2, we will see that x equals to 4 plus y. Let us take it as 3. So, put this value of x as in equation 1. So, putting 3 in 1, we will get x plus y equals to 14. What is equation 1? That is x plus y equals to 14. We will just put the value of x. What is x here? 4 plus y. So, 4 plus y equals to 14. When you solve it, 2y equals to 14 minus 4 or y equals to 10 by 2, that is 5. Now, y equals to 5, we will put in equation 3 to get the value of x. Now, what is x equal to? That is equal to 4 plus y. That is x equals to 4 plus 5, 9. So, what value did we get for this x and y by substitution method? X equals to 9 and y equals to 5. Now, let us do question number 2. Question number 2 is s minus t equals to 3. S by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6. So, let us try to solve it. So, here first equation, this is first equation, this is second equation. This second equation we can just rewrite, or we can express it by taking out LCM. That is 2s plus 3t equals by 6 equals to 6, or 2s plus 3t equals to 36. Now, let us number it, that is 1 and this is 2. Now, from equation 1, we can write down s equals to 3 plus t. Let us put it as equation 3. Now, substituting equation 3 in equation 2, we will get, what is equation 2? 2s plus 3t. So, 2 into, in place of s, I am putting 3 plus t plus 3t equals to 36. Just go on solving. When you will solve it, you will get it as t equals to 6. When you are getting t equals to 6, you will put it in equation 3 to get the value of s. Now, what will be s equal to? 3 plus t, that is 3 plus 6, that is 9. So, we will get s equals to 9 and t equals to 6. Now, let us solve question number 4. Rest of the questions you do on your own as a homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Let us see question number 4. It is 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Now, it is given in decimal term. So, let us try to solve it. Now, let us name this equation as 1 and 2. From equation 1, we will get x equals to 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. Now, we will name it as 3, equation 3, substituting this value of x in equation 2. When you substitute it, you will get it as 0.4. In place of x, I am putting this value of x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Now, we just go on solving. You will get it as y equals to 0.3 by 0.1, that is 3. So, y we have got as 3. Now, put the value of y as y equals to 3 in equation 3, that is 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. In place of y, we will put 3. So, just solve it. You will get it as 1.3 minus 0.3 into 3 by 2.2, that is 1.3 by 0.9 minus 0.9 by 0.2, that is 0.4 by 0.2, that is 2. So, we are getting it as x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Children, there is one more method of doing this type of sum. And solving that method also for you. Whatever you find convenient, you can do as per your wish. So, another method for solving this type of question is, again I have just numbered it as 1 and 2, and I have multiplied both the equations by 10 so that to remove the decimal. Okay. So, in that case, what I will get when I multiply equation 1 and 2 by 10, I will get it as 2x plus 3y equals to 13, 4x plus 5y equals to 23. So, I have just named it as equation 3 and 4. Now from equation 3 I am getting 2x equals to 13 minus 3y or x equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. Just name it as equation 5. Now substitute this equation 5 in equation 4. Okay. So in place of x I will put 13 minus 3y. So I have just put it here. 4 into 13 minus 3y plus 5y equals to 23. Just go on solving, you will get y equals to 3. Now putting y equals to 3 in equation 5, this one, okay. So just put y equals to 5, that is 13 minus 3 into 5 by 2, that is 13 minus 9 by 2, or you will get it as 4 by 2, that is 2. So x equals to 2, y equals to 3. So children, you have to complete the whole exercise, question number 1 of exercise 3.3.